What's going on, everybody? Mike G here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious banana protein shake.
Okay, first we're going to put the milk in. This is a brand new bottle, so I'm going to pop the top here, and you can measure it out for how much you want, but I just do it by eye. And then after the milk, we're gonna put in the oatmeal. I have a little scooper here that I got from one of my protein powders. You can use any scooper you want. I put about 3 or 4 of them in there, and you can adjust it to how thick or thin you want it to be. Next is the peanut butter. And I'm gonna get me a nice little chunk there. Woo! Doesn't want to go away. Next, we're gonna break up the banana and put it in there. I'm gonna just break it up. A couple pieces. You can put it in whole if you want. The blender's gonna blend it anyway. And last ingredient is the cinnamon, minus the ice. Add a little cinnamon in there. And then on top, we put our little bowl of ice in. Then, I'm gonna top it off. And it's done and ready to drink.